If you want to send a PowerPoint slide to someone but prevent them from editing the content, there's a simple and effective solution. Instead of sharing the original PowerPoint file, you can save your slide or presentation as a PDF file. This method ensures that the formatting and layout remain intact, while also making the content uneditable by the recipient. To do this in PowerPoint 365, begin by going to the File menu. From there, choose the Save As option. When the Save dialog box appears, look for the File Format section. In this drop-down list, select PDF as your desired format. At this point, you can also rename the file if necessary and choose the destination folder where you want to save your PDF. Once everything is set, click Save. PowerPoint will now export your slide content into a PDF file. After the export is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. You will find your new PDF document there. This file can be sent to others, and they will be able to view the presentation exactly as you created it, without being able to make any changes. Saving your slides as a PDF is a professional and secure way to share your presentation. It preserves your formatting and protects your content from being altered.